Today is shaving day. Just filling out the water for the day. So for breakfast this morning, I'm having some sausages. They're pretty good. They're cheap. So here's the plan for today. I'm gonna drive through Redwood National Park and make my way up to the state park to do a hike. It's called the Gold Bluffs Beach. I read it Gold Buffs Beach the first time, so I go Buffs, and I just decided to do that. I do have to make a quick stop at Eureka to get gas and wash my car. So I thought it would be a really cool idea to show you guys how I'm living my life on the road on a daily basis. Anyways, it's time for some music. Let's see what we got. I'm just feeling it. Alright, so we just got here to the trailhead, and now I'm just eating some chips and salsa. I'm hungry, man. I'm on the trail to get to that beach. It's about 4-ish miles. A lot of bugs, and I'm not wearing any pants today. I just made it to the beach. Ooh. So I just got back from the hike, and now the main task is to find a place to live. I think this looks like a pretty good site. So I'm gonna camp here tonight. It's time for some food though. Let's see what we have for dinner. So we're gonna go with the lasagna tonight. I'm gonna make 2 of these because one of them doesn't really feed me. So I was filming when I was driving across this road, and the drone was following me when it kind of crashed into that forest. Am I mad? Absolutely not. Why would I be mad? I only spent 5 hours on it.